It's Production Master here, and I know I'm in my bedroom. Kind of weird. So yeah, in my bedroom. Outside. Not outside. I'm inside my room. And today's subject is about these fidget spinners. See that? Very, very addicting. And I know it's not going to be like a trend at like my school and stuff, but I don't care. So these fidget spinners, right? I got this out of Phoenix yesterday. Very, very cool. Very, very like that. Very spinny. Got two sides, one multicolored and one green. And you can find these kind of fidget spinners with these 3-prong ones, and I got these like ball bearing ones, as you see. It's very, very reflective, and it can spin for like 3 minutes and 53 seconds. This fidget spinner is very, very good. You can get gold ones, plastic ones, even 2-prong ones. You can get LEDs, deltas, silvers, a normal plastic. Wait, I already said plastic. You can get one with weights, which is very, very cool. And this one right here. Oh yeah, and one that comes with like marbles as ball bearings. The hell? Why ball bearings? My personal favorite has got to be this one because it's got like ball bearings and it spins for a very, very long time than my other one. My other one spins for like 1 minute, which is like pretty bad, but at least it was an LED one. I really like this fidget spinner. And if you check out my Instagram, I have a post of this fidget spinner. I haven't got the other side pictures as well though. Oh yeah, check out my Instagram as well. Product_master. Yeah, update from the... Never mind, no update. Oh yeah, update from my 10 facts about me. You know the one that about me single? I'm not single anymore. Check out XXGdog _ lols XX. So yeah, very cool. Teddy bear. Oh yeah, if you guys like watch the Hunger Games, I'm starting to read that as well. I'm getting off topic. Fidget spinners. Very, very addicting. Very, very fun to play with. You can also get fidget cubes, wooden fidget spinners, one with a marble inside like a thing. Yeah, very cool. How's cologne? Yeah, fidget spinners. Very, 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 very awesome. I am an Asian YouTuber. I know this is a very, very short video about fidget spinners. 3 prongs, 2-prong, deltas, gold, weights, ball bearings, marbles. So yeah, it's very, very fun to play with, as you see. I'm very, very addicted to these. I might have ADHD actually. No. Look at that. Look at that. Spin. Look at those. You can also balance on your nose as well like this. Can balance on my chin. Yeah, so fidget spinners. Very, very addicting. But still play with them. Bye! Illuminati confirmed. I haven't did that in a while. Illuminati confirmed. Bye.